This design features a snap fit that is not self-locking. This one features a design that is self-locking. Let's study the one that is not self-locking. When I apply force here, you will see that the snap tries to bend this way. So again, when I apply force, this one moves. The other design, when we apply a force, it will not go off. So when I try to apply a force, the snap fit goes this way. When you're having a self-locking snap, it doesn't mean that you cannot disassemble them. You just have to apply a force and it goes off very easy. How does it work? If you look at a cross section, then the important geometry is the relationship between the virtual hinge point and the projected angle from the snap fit engagement surface. If the projected line is on the left side of the hinge point, it is self-opening. The physics behind is illustrated by that the resulting force from pulling results in an opening torque. For a self-locking design, the rule of thumb is that the projection should be on the right side of the hinge point. In that way, when you pull, the effect is a resulting torque that reinforces the engagement of the snap fit, like a smart knob or a zip tie that gets tighter the more you pull.